Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some super cheap, free, and money-making deals that y'all can do this week at Walgreens. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, we're just going to go over some really simple and easy coupon matchups that y'all can do this week at Walgreens, and then I'm going to share with y'all how I used my spin booster this week, plus I did a couple of pickup orders, a ship-to-store order, and an in-store deal that turned out to be an awesome moneymaker. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so starting off, we have the 1-count Glade plug-in warmer. These are priced at $2.49. We have a $2.50 off one digital coupon, making that completely free. Alright, next up we have this $1.50 off one digital coupon for the Walgreens Epson salts. These are priced at $1.99, so pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 49 cents. Alright, next up we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Walgreens antiseptic. So if you want to pick up the Walgreens brand iodine, those are priced at $4.99, so after the coupon that's going to leave you paying $1.99. Alright, next up, here is one of the free oral care deals that we have going on at Walgreens this week. We have the Colgate products that are on sale for $3.99. You want to pick up a toothbrush and a toothpaste, and we have two off 1 digital coupons, one for the toothpaste and one for the toothbrushes. And that's going to leave you paying $3.98, but you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and you're still going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2. So that's going to make your final price completely free. Alright, next up we have the Shea Moisture Bar Soaps. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. These are priced at $4.19, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up 2 at $6.28. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.28 for 2, making those 64 cents each. Alright, next up we have the Nexus shampoos for $11.99. We have a 5 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.99. Now I know some of y'all might be thinking, why is she showing us this coupon matchup? Because it's not really great, but we're going to throw it into a deal later on, so you need to know what I'm talking about. Alright, next up we have the Dollar Shave Club starter kits. These are priced at $6.99. We have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.49. Alright guys, so here is the first little pickup order that I put in for this week. Sometimes you just have to jump on these deals and not wait around to try to come up with a spin deal. So I put this in, I believe, on Sunday. So as y'all can see, I picked up the Epson salt, I picked up the 2 Shea Moisture Bar soaps, and then I grabbed the Walgreens iodine. Unfortunately, they were already out of the Glade plugins, or I would have thrown that in this deal as well. But here's my receipt. I ended up paying $3.76 for all of those items, and retail, you know, without tax or anything, it would have been $13.26. So I think that is a pretty good little deal. Alright guys, so here is my second pickup order that I put in at Walgreens yesterday. Now a couple of things. I'm not sure what's going on with me and Walgreens here lately, but in-store deals have just not been, you know, agreeing with me. I'll get up to the register, I will know that the coupons are supposed to attach, but they just don't. Like for instance, we had the Dove deal a couple of weeks ago, and no matter what I tried, that 7 off 2 coupon would not apply. Also, the same thing with the Crest and Oral-B deals. My coupons are just not attaching. So, anytime I've tried to do in-store deals here lately, it's ended with me having to call customer service and them just having to give me Walgreens cash, which is fine. I'm glad that they do that and at least make it right with the customer. That's awesome. But at the same time, I just wish that the coupons would work for me in-store. Again, not sure what's going on there, but I am trying to do in-store deals. Now, secondly, with this pickup order, yesterday evening when I put it through, there were some issues with the app. Once I got to the checkout page, it was fine. Everything was applying perfectly. The correct amount of Walgreens cash coming back to me was perfect. But then once I got to the payment page, those coupons weren't applying anymore. So it would put me back up to the original subtotal. So hopefully they got that fixed. I did end up getting it to go through, and I paid the amount that I expected to pay. So with all that being said, if you have any issues, you might want to try it a couple of times and then, you know, wait a little bit and see if they get that fixed in the app. But hopefully, like I said, hopefully they have it fixed by now. So let's get into this deal, shall we? Now, a couple of things specifically that you need to know with this deal is that I did use a spend booster. I had a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash Rewards spend booster. Then there is also a promotion going on this week at Walgreens for select personal care items. And it's when you spend $20 on select personal care items, you're going to earn back $5 in Walgreens Cash Rewards. Now, I couldn't find anything in the weekly ad telling us specifically what was included in this promotion, but what I noticed is it is a lot of the Dove products. So for instance, we have a really good deal on Dove hair therapy. That works out to be like 50 cents each with I think we have a 7 off 2 coupon. I unfortunately did not have that coupon on my account, so if you guys have that, that's a really good deal as well. But Dove, Nexus, Dollar Shave Club, Shea Moisture, there's a lot included, different ways that y'all can mix and match and work with the coupons that we received this week, because we did receive a lot of Unilever coupons. So that is 2 things. We have a spend booster with this deal and a spend promotion, both spend 20. And then we also have a deal on Fetch Rewards right now for when you spend $30 on Unilever personal care items, you're going to earn back 10,000 points, which is the equivalent of $10. All right, everybody following me so far? Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, again, y'all hear me all the time. I don't know what you're waiting on, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards, and you earn points on every single receipt. So again, it's super simple and easy. My referral code is on the screen here, and if you want to use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is an extra $2 in your pocket. So definitely go and sign up if you haven't already. Now, getting back to this deal. So I just showed you all the individual breakdowns of these items and the coupons that go along with it. So I did throw in the Colgate deal. You guys can totally do that separate. You do not need the Colgate included in this spend deal to make it work. But where I was having some issues with the app, I just went ahead and threw it all in one pickup order. So threw in the Colgate deal, did the 2 Shea Moisture bar soaps, the Dollar Shave Club starter kit, and the Nexus shampoo. So that brought my subtotal to $33.24, all right? After all coupons were applied, I paid $15.74 plus tax, all right? I'm going to pop up the breakdown on the screen here so that y'all can take a screenshot. And then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for the spend booster, $5 in Walgreens cash for the spend 20 promotion, and $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate deal. All right, so a total back of $14. So right there, if we stop right there, that left me at a final price of $1.74 for all 6 items. Now, as if $1.74 for all of these items wasn't good enough, we are now going to scan our receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. So there's a couple of things going on. Number one, you're going to earn points on all of these products because all of these brands are included in Fetch Rewards. So you're going to earn extra points just for picking up these products. Number two, we have a spend bonus on Colgate products as well. So when you spend $18 on Colgate brand products, you are going to earn back 1,500 points. I've got it popped up here on the screen so that y'all can see what I'm talking about. Now, with this little free deal here at Walgreens, we also have some free Colgate at Dollar General this week. So y'all definitely need to be on the lookout for that video. I'm going to have that one up ASAP. So make sure that those notifications are turned on. But point being, with all of these free Colgate products that we're getting, this bonus might be a really easy one to get to this week, right? So make sure that y'all scan your receipts in. Now, the third little thing that we're going to earn points on is that spend promotion. So when you spend $30 on select Unilever products, you're going to earn back 10,000 points. Now, I do say select Unilever products. I'm going to pop up what is included in this spend promotion on Fetch Rewards so that y'all know exactly what will track toward getting that 10,000 points back. So after I have scanned this little receipt deal into Fetch Rewards plus the little pickup order that I showed y'all a few minutes ago with the Shea Moisture soap and the Epson salt and the iodine. So after I scan both of those receipts, I'm only $1.60 away from earning that 10,000 points back. So I have a couple of receipts that I haven't scanned yet, such as the Nexus deal, that run deal that we had last Sunday. I'm going to scan that one in as well and see if that will get me over that spend 30 mark. And hey, this is going to be completely free plus a money maker, because even though, you know, your final price on this deal is $1.74, final price on that little pickup deal was $3.76. So either way, I'm making money. All of this for free plus a little bit extra. I am super happy with this deal. Now I'm going to do a little rearranging, and I'm going to show y'all another money making deal that y'all can do this week at Walgreens. Alright guys, now here is a super simple and easy in-store deal that y'all can do. Again, I did this really quickly as I ran in to pick up my pickup orders. So here we have the Kellogg's Fruit Loops Jumbo Snacks, and we also have the Apple Jacks Jumbo Snacks. These are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. So you're going to pay $4.49 for two. Go ahead and pick up a total of 4, like I did here. That's going to put you at $8.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. All right. You are going to get back a $2 manufacturer register reward, compliments of Kellogg's. All right. So that is a great deal all by itself. We are all going to need snacks for school lunches, right? So, but this still gets even better, because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate for the Fruit Loops Jumbo Snacks, and we also have a $2 rebate for the Apple Jacks. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get a total of $8 back on Ibotta. But the deal doesn't end there, because then you are going to submit your receipt to Shopkick. And right now on Shopkick, we have scan kicks. So make sure that y'all scan this while you're in the store into the Shopkick app. I think it was 20 scan kicks. And then so many kicks back for purchasing the item, right? So after those kicks, you get all those kicks back. That equals $1.48 coming back on Shopkick. So that makes your final price for all 4 of these Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks completely free, plus a $2.50 moneymaker. Super simple and easy deal, guys. You cannot pass this one up. I mean, even if you're just going to donate it, you're making $2.50 just for picking it up and donating it. So it is definitely a win-win deal for sure. Alright guys, and last but not least, here is a ship to store order that I put in for this week, and I wanted to go ahead and share it with you all because I know everybody is in back to school mode, and typically disinfecting wipes are on our list to get, right? So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. They are on sale for $3.83. Pick up 2, that's going to put you at $7.66, but we have a $1.50 off one and a $1 off one digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $5.66, and you can pay with Walgreens cash. Then you're going to get back $2 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2. That's going to make your final price $3.66 for 2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stick around because I am going to be putting together a short Walgreens clearance video just so that I can share with you all the clearance finds that I found at my store. So make sure that you stick around for that. And then also, like I said earlier in the video, Dollar General is on fire this week. We have some amazing 3 off 15 deals that I cannot wait to share with you all. We have so much overage that our 5 off $25 scenarios are going to be absolutely nuts this week. So make sure that y'all are subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button for me on your way out because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. Leave me a comment down below because y'all know I love hearing from you, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.